off-white tee exudes effortless charm, striking the perfect balance between casual and polished. Complete the look with casual sneakers for a relaxed yet stylish vibe. Maxi dress. Effortlessly elegant, maxi dresses offer a flowy silhouette perfect for casual outings or formal evenings. A cropped tee paired with skinny jeans is the ultimate go-to for a trendy, laid-back vibe. This combo effortlessly showcases a flattering silhouette with a hint of playful edge. Fashion phobia is the fear of dressing incorrectly or not meeting societal style expectations. It can hinder self-expression and confidence, making fashion feel like a daunting challenge. A light mauve tee paired with an off-white short blazer and flared casual pants creates a chic and contemporary look. This combo blends soft hues with structured elegance for effortless sophistication. Outfits with monochromatic themes use a single color scheme to produce a polished and unified look. Without using contrasting colors, this style adds depth by emphasizing texture and silhouette. A small black crossbody bag with gold accents is a great option because it goes well with both professional and informal attire. Its understated style guarantees classic elegance for every setting. Eyewear combines functionality with style, protecting your eyes while enhancing your look. Sunglasses shield from UV rays and add a chic vibe to any outfit. Blue light glasses are a must-have for screen time protection. Oversized frames make bold fashion statements. Sleek metal designs offer timeless sophistication. Choose eyewear that reflects your personality and lifestyle. In you. Tinted lenses can add a pop of color and a playful touch to your style. Finding the right frame shape enhances your facial features beautifully. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. If anyone is interested in learning more, please visit my website. A link is provided below.